Now, just to say a word about technology and you when it comes to filmmaking, and it's filmmaking at whatever level, whether you're simply going out and doing a little holiday video in a very simple way, or whether you're constructing a kind of, a huge documentary or Hollywood masterpiece, a Hollywood movie. Okay, the limitation actually is not the technology, it's not the equipment, it's not all the technical means, and even sometimes the technical understandings. The real limitation or opportunity is you, your imagination, and your knowledge about the ways in which you can use things and fit things together to create a truly great film. Film, at the end of the day, is about creativity, light, movement, composition, and the way that you string things together, the way that you juxtapose things to get things to really fly off the screen and to engage the audience. That's what filmmaking is really about. So through this course, although we'll talk a bit about equipment and what stuff you can take out on holiday and so forth, do keep in mind that actually what this is really about is giving yourself the skills to handle that camera with confidence and handle the editing of the material that you bring back with confidence, and to have a lot of fun with doing that, a lot of creativity to do that, to create the films. It's not about the kit, it's about you.